Botany is the study of what? Answer: plants.
Which part of the plant absorbs sunlight and carries out photosynthesis? Answer: leaves. Which pigment is responsible for the green color of plants?
Answer: chlorophyll.
Which of the following is an example of a gymnosperm? Answer: pine tree. Which part of a plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil? Answer: roots. What is the waste product of photosynthesis? Answer: oxygen. What is the outermost layer of a plant stem called? Answer: epidermis.
How many correct answer did you got?
Thank you watching this video. Please do subscribe the channel for more related content. See you all in the next video.